Welcome my people to AfrikaBibleTori. Una don land for the correct place where we dey break Bible tori wey don last from generation to generation into sweet pidgin tori. My name na Rebecca. Today tori no be ordinary gist o. Na ogbonge tori of how human being carry their sense do overdo come use their hand create wahala. Dis na the tori of the highest story building for Bible where God for take scatter all the languages for the world. How e take happen na im I wan tell una so. So sit down well as I go dey yarn una the tori of Tower of Babel for Genesis chapter 11. In the beginning for that time, everybody for this world be one. Dem dey speak the same language, dey understand themselves well well. Life sweet, no confusion, no wahala. One day, everybody pack their load say make we waka go settle for one better land. As dem dey waka, dem see one place for east side come reach one place wey dem dey call Shino, wey be correct area to build their estate. Na so dem begin do meeting o. One elder come stand up, clear im throat, talk, make we mold some block, make am well so e go strong pass mud house. Make we build one big city and tower wey go long reach heaven. That way, people go sabi our name. We go popular and no be to scatter for everywhere. Na so dem begin use block and black gum take start the project o. Work start. Block upon block dem begin build. The thing tall no be small. E remain small make e enter Baba God backyard. As dem dey build the tower, Baba God dey look dem from heaven. E bend go one angel ear say, "You dey see wetin dem dey do so? See as dem dey build tower come reach my domot. These people sense don too big pass their head o. If dem do this thing as one people wey dey speak one language, then nothing go stop dem for anything wey dem wan do." Then the angel reply, "My lord, na serious overconfidence dey worry dem o. If dem fit do this kind thing, na anything dem fit plan tomorrow." Na so Baba God call all the angels. Oya, make we go scatter their language, make dem no fit understand themselves again. I wan see how dem go take join head continue. Na so Baba God arrange plan o, scatter their language like jollof rice wey dem mix with fried rice. E just give everybody different language. Before you know, wahala burst. Imagine, one man dey shout for Chinese, another one dey reply with Yoruba. Gbagam, work don stop. Nobody fit understand anybody again. Dem dey talk but na like bird noise dem dey hear. Na so dem begin drop tools o, waka comot. As dem no fit continue, na so dem begin waka go different places. The tower remain halfway, e no fit reach anywhere again. Na so dem name the place Babel, because na where God scatter all the languages for the world. From there, e carry dem waka go different places for the world. And at the end of the story be that. The lesson to carry go house for this story na be say, no do pass yourself. My people, this life get as e be. No be every plan wey sweet for mouth go work for hand. Most of the time, our plan no dey in line with Baba God plan. Na why Baba God dey press brake before wahala go burst. So if your plan dey block, check am well. E fit be say Baba God get one better one for you.